Alright, good day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add your database, external database, okay, or restore an existing database that you mistakenly deleted. Okay, the same process applies to both of them. Okay, so first and first, I believe you already downloaded the data or the database. So you're going to click on the database folder, click on restore database. Inside of this source, okay, inside of the source, I'm going to click on what? Device. Alright, device. Then there is this three dotted icon or button. Click on it. Then click on add. Alright, you get to this place. Every existing backup that you have on your system will be here. Okay, every existing backup that you have on your system will be here. Since I'm using SQL Server 2.16, I'll be installing 2.16, not 2.19. Okay, so but you, in your own case, you can install both of them if you're using as from 2.22 and above, or 2.22, 2.20, 2.19 as well. Okay, 2.20, 2.22, 2019, you can install anyone. Okay, so but since in your own case you've been having this here, so I'm going to show you how you're going to get this into this place. So we'll go back to this particular address or location and click on it, and then Control A, Control C. Okay, Control A, Control C, then open any of a file explorer. Okay, open any of a file explorer and just click on it, go to the address bar, paste it, click on enter. So since this is the first time you're going to be doing this, it's going to be popping out something like you don't have access to do this. All right, so you're going to click on OK, continue, or continue straight ahead. Okay, then once you click on continue straight ahead, you can then come into this place, and in your own here will be empty as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the place you downloaded it. Okay, so assuming that this is your all you downloaded. Okay, in my own case, this is an extended version of the 2016 that I have. We're not going to do what? Drag it. Okay, click on it, drag it, and come and drop it here. Okay, once you drop it here, it's going to move from your downloads to this place. Alright, once you've done that, you can minimize both of them. Alright, then you can click on refresh. Click on what? Refresh. Okay, click on refresh again. Then I'm going to click on this, since this is one I added, but in your own case you can click on all of them. You can do this repeat same process for the three of them, okay, or for the two of them, depending on how many you're trying to install or restore. Okay, so click on OK, click on OK again, then ensure that this box is checked. Okay, ensure that this box is checked, and then click on what? OK. It's going to take some time, and before you know it, it will be done. Then you can have access to those data. So while you're waiting for it, yeah, it's done. Okay, and that is it. Database adventures work 2.16 extended restored successfully. All right, so click on OK, and that closes the whole windows. Now if you, it then opens your what? Database automatically for you to show you where the database was installed. So if you click on this plus icon, it's going to expand and show you the tables. Okay, the tables that have been installed into your database. Wait for it. Okay, yeah, so we have more tables now. This is table, and this is our schema, demo schema for demo sales, human resource. Okay, so this is us installing this particular what? Database. Now I'm going to just do simple query. Okay, so far maybe you have learned about tables, only tables. All right, but in this particular database you'll see and explore the concept of what schemas are, how to use schemas, and how to create schemas and how it helps us to manage connected tables. Okay, tables that are connected can use one schema instead of having just all tables connected on their own. But connected tables in one schema makes it more logical, makes it more grouped, okay, and makes more sense. Alright, so I'm going to use, by default it has selected the newly added database. Okay, if your own does not select, just click on this arrow button here and make your selection. Okay, that's it. Then click on select asterisk from. Okay, that asterisk is all. Then I'm going to say what, let's go with demo. I have access to demo. Okay, dots. Okay, demo sales order header C. All right, so let's see how it goes. And I'm going to press what, F5, or I click on this button. Okay, so now I have my what, data, all of it. Okay, you can see that the list goes on, so you can try to make meaning out of this: due date, customer ID, person ID, and then bill to address, ship to address, ship method ID, local ID. Okay, so I can choose to query another table. Let's say, let's query the human resource. Press tab to get it in, then press dot department. Okay, and then click on this, so we can see departments that exist. We have engineering, 2 design, sales, marketing, purchasing, and the rest of it. Okay, so that is all for now. So with this, we can do more of querying and more of getting our data from the database. We're going to assume that this is a live database that we are working with, a production grade database, which is actually a production grade database. So I'm going to use this for mini querying and mini other testing, for more advanced stuff than just the basic we've been doing so far. All right.